pumpkin pie. Very festive. We have all the pie ingredients, we have all the seasonings. He is gonna start off with being deaf. She's clearly gonna start off with being blind. And I have the tape and I'm about to tape my mouth and I'm gonna start off with being mute. We're basically just gonna get started and see how it goes. Oh, by the way, this is my sister.
Are we starting? Are we starting?
We don't have any cups or nothing. Like measuring cups.
Can you already get some? Open or no?
Walk in the kitchen and get it.
Oh, go get the cups. For the thing.
That's this. In a ball? For what? It has to go in here. Oh. Three, four.
Did I make it?
Alright, so.
Oh, wait. Woo! We got it, everybody.
There's no
Why are you stomping?
There's no 3/4 on here.
Give me something to do.
3/4. 1 cup. 1 3/4. 1 4.
1 1/2.
So
1 1/2.
not 3/4.
1 1/2. No. Okay.
All right. 3 of these. All right. Here. What's in there? A sugar. Here.
Sugar.
All right, here. The hole right here.
Oh! Put it in the thing. Is it going?
That's it.
Okay. I don't know where it's going. What's next?
1/2. 1 teaspoon.
This one. What is that?
Alright, so here. Hold that. Put the salt.
Where's the salt? Okay. What?
Bro,
I'm putting it.
we're gonna be freaking swimming in salt.
Too much? Wait, I've done that thing on. Oh, there's nothing in here. Just a little bit. Alright.
That wasn't even in the bowl.
What's next? Okay, more. Shake it. Wait, where is it coming out of? Oh! How much do I put?
Try this one.
Is the thing open? Okay. It's not open.
Ground ginger.
Wait. Okay. Give me. Guys, help!
Hold on.
Is it ready?
Hold on. Here.
It's a little strong.
Put it in the bowl. No.
I thought you put it over the bowl.
Go. Alright.
What's next?
What's next? Alright, dump. Good job. Alright. Yeah, that's strong.
Very strong.
Pumpkin!
Hurry up. Do we need this spoon? This is very hard. Am I done? Am I even close? Okay. Can you do it?
I'll do it. Here. Here.
Wait.
Alright, let's switch.
I want to put the pumpkin in. Why? You shoved my finger in it.
Turn.
Give me.
Switch.
Give me
Right
the pumpkin.
now, or
Give me the pumpkin.
we're gonna switch now.
Can I be deaf now? Oh, I did very well.
Okay, so we're switching now. So she's deaf, and then he's gonna be mute. He's gonna have the tape over his mouth. Where'd the tape go? Put the tape over there. And I'm gonna be blind. Okay. Excuse me. Hey! Move out of the way. Hello?
Stop. Stop. We're dumping the pumpkin. Come here.
Ah, I got pumpkin on your hand!
Wait, we need. Wait.
Stop screaming!
That's too big. That's too big. Wait, use a different one.
Hold it for me.
Use a different one.
I don't know what they are.
Okay.
Hold it for me, the bowl. Ooh, ASMR.
Oh. Don't be so aggressive. Okay.
It smells like baby food, right?
Huh?
Dump it.
It smells like baby food. Give me more. Hey, hey! There's still some left. Where are you? Hey, that's my job. Give me the can. Give me the can. Give. I'm scared.
Hey, it's okay. Don't throw that.
Be careful. Back in there. Be careful. Stop killing it.
Babe, move me around right now. Are you stupid or dumb?
What?
We have carpet.
You did that!
You're the one that was going like that with that.
I can't see anything! Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Mix.
Don't put my finger in it!
We're doing the evaporated milk.
Okay. Ew, I don't like the sound of that. Hey, do we have a mixer or no?
Don't let her do it.
Gimme!
She do it. But calm down.
I do it.
Okay, let me. I don't know how to do that, so you do it.
Gimme!
Wait,
I'm so mad right
he
now.
getting it started.
I can actually do this part. Do that. I feel someone looking at me.
Nothing was there.
Someone's looking at me.
Okay, be careful. It's
Oh,
watery.
It's milk. The whole can?
Yes. Okay.
Hey! Don't
Go a little faster. We got stuff to do.
I don't want to splash on the carpet.
Okay, all done. Mix. Mix.
Hey, what the heck is this?
got watery, I think something happened. I've never seen a pumpkin pie that watery. Oh! We didn't add the eggs!
Hey, yo! You can't skip steps around here.
Huh? She does it? She told you not to do it.
No, I did not say that.
Oh, cause not all
Give me the
the
egg,
pumpkins
because
is there.
Give me the egg because I can crack it with one hand. Ew, there's pumpkin under my thumb. You want to eat it? Eat it.
He said switch.
No, I want to crack one egg. That's all. Just one.
Oh, no, cause you didn't let me do pumpkin, so you're not doing no eggs. Oh, so don't even do pumpkin, so you don't do no. Oh, you don't want pumpkin. All of the pumpkin, you don't deserve to do that. Davante needs to want to do it.
Are you alright over there? My turn. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Switch.
I got some of my eyeball burns a little bit. Where's the tape at so I can put it on?
Huh?
Where's the tape?
We had a switch in a
Put it on. I'll put it on your head.
You can hear me, baby?
Put it behind your ears.
Baby, can you hear me? You like booty
She can't
holes.
hear you.
You like booty holes.
Are you talking? I can see your vibrating.
JK.
Can you see anything?
I can't see jack crap.
Keep your eyes closed.
They're closed. Hey! Watch it. Alright, give me some eggs. This is kind of cool. Alright, give me eggs. One egg at a time. What is she doing? Is she dancing? Alright. Give me the mixer. What is she doing? No. Calm down.
What step are you at?
Calm down.
Good job. That's a little liquid.
Liquid? Liquid?
Huh?
Liquid?
Liquid, yeah. It looks like a lava lamp.
It's getting hard.
I don't think so.
It's getting hard.
Okay. Put this in there.
You said put it in there.
Okay.
I think we need to put like more sugar or something. Or this is good.
Two.
It's all over my shirt. You have Bust Down Rollie Avalanche on? I might go retarded. Oh! Bust Down Rollie Avalanche. I'm 30. I got this 30. You can see me? Oh yeah, you can.
Hey, what's taking so long over here?
I was mixing it. You can hear me?
Two.
I think it's good. It's good.
Talk. I tell who? I need to stop talking. Okay.
Hey, Kylie.
But
I think this is good. I think I got a pour.
look at me. You need to tell me. He can't see you. You tell him. Okay. 2, 10.
10.
Oh, you told him to wait. Wait. Stop.
Pour it in.
He needs to wait. For what? He needs to mix it. He needs to mix for a while. So what are you saying?
I gotta dump this in there.
No more mixing.
No more.
So what do you need?
This.
It's too watery? Wait.
So what do we put in here?
Hold on, guys. Wait a second.
It's too watery.
Okay. Cinnamon sugar toast, beat eggs and larval, stir in pumpkin and sugar spice mixture. Gradually stir in. Oh, we were supposed to gradually stir in the evaporated milk. He was reading that part. I think.
It's
Hey,
good.
go preheat the oven at 425.
What? With my eyes closed?
You need to. Let's take a be real. Come. Stop touching stuff.
I have to flatten it.
Wait a second. It's be real time.
Who cares? Did I just chop something?
Look.
in there? What the? What
Hurry up, my turn.
What?
Put that down. Look, ready?
Make sure it's cool. That's
Look at her be real, guys. Ah, so cute. Hey, slow down, slow down. Slow down.
It's too tall. I mean,
Put it down. Put it on the bottom. No.
whoa,
No.
whoa.
Stop touching stuff.
I want to put it in the.
No. No. Stop touching stuff.
Why is it so quiet? Huh? Yay!
Hey, go! Go!
What the hell are we gonna do? We gotta.
You have to wait.
Wait?
Here. Napkin.
What am I waiting for?
I'm posting an Instagram story. That's why.
Oh, get out of here!
Did you just ruin my Instagram story?
No, how?
Cause you threw that at me.
Okay.
You can't carry it in there. You're gonna spill it.
I promise
And
I'll.
you need to wait for the oven to preheat.
Okay. Oh, dance? Give me a dap.
I am not dabbing you over your pumpkin hand.
Baby,
No.
if you love me, you'll dap me up.
Yay!
Bro, I should put my hands in her hair. That's how bad, like, she just yeeted me. This is her.
Ah! My Instagram story. It's frozen. You need to wait for it to preheat.
Stop touching stuff.
What are you doing?
I wanted to pour more inside of there.
You're not even near the pie.
Oh,
Hey, you're cleaning this.
I messed it up?
You're cleaning it. You're not deaf.
I
You're
know.
cleaning all this up.
Did I mess it up?
You poured all over the counter.
Throw it at her?
What the hell are you doing? Take that to the trash.
There's no trash.
Trash can.
There's no bag in there.
That's your fault.
Let's take this.
Watch yourself. Stop making him put shells in there.
No.
You guys can't do anything. I need to do this.
No, babe.
Hey!
I'm taking it.
Not yet. It's not preheated.
Yes, it is.
No. It's not preheated yet. What are you saying?
How long does it take? How long does it take?
Huh?
How long does it take?
Until the light is off. That's how long.
I wish I could slap you with the pumpkin pie that's right here. Do you hear me? Ah! Babe! That was you, babe, or Kylie? Bro, this is bull crap. This is bull crap. Bro.
Stop. You're gonna mess up the pie.
Oh! I'm outside. Oh. She went out. You trying to run? Babe, went on the run. I'm sorry, baby boy. Is it the light off now? Huh?
I have a headache.
You put pumpkin on me?
Her too. I only put a little bit on my finger. She put it on your face.
It was like this when they did it. Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're putting it in the pie. No, we're putting it in the oven now. Look at this mess.
Bro, and then
Look at this mess.
she wants to freaking go like that. and I freaking splatter it. It's gonna get on the carpet.
So we have pumpkin pie in the oven now, and now we have to wait 15 minutes. Reduce temperature to 350, bake for 40 minutes. Okay, so 15 on the setting that it's on now, and then we gotta reduce it and do a whole bunch of other stuff. But it's baking now, so we'll be back when it's done to try the finished product. The pie is done.
Okay, let's eat it. Hurry up.
Wait, get a knife. Don't smell it. Don't smell it.
I don't smell bad.
It doesn't smell like pumpkin pie though.
It's made by us. That's why.
Our fingers have been.
Look at that.
Look at the bottom. That does not look correct. Look at it. Doesn't. The bottom part of the dough doesn't even come off.
Oh, okay. Go eat it. That's a big bite. You're bold.
That is the saltiest pie I've ever.
Salty?
It's salty.
Ew.
Let me see.
look at it in the camera.
It's so nasty.
First of all, I don't know why, but our pumpkin pie has polka dots.
Eat it. Try it.
Let
You
me try
it.
it.
Okay,
Because
go.
pumpkin
Just
pie.
take a bite out of it.
Pumpkin
No,
pie.
don't be. That's a lot. That's too much.
Pumpkin pie is my favorite.
Look, the bottom. Get you pausing.
Why the hell did it break like that, bro?
Eat it.
Pumpkin pie is my favorite
Eat
thing
it, hurry up.
year round, like whenever it comes around.
Ew.
I'm gonna try for you guys, but it's salty.
A salty
The
pumpkin pie.
saltiest pie I've ever eaten, ever. Eat
Try
it.
it.
Hurry up. Why did you take the littlest bite?
She licked it. She didn't even
Not
bite
even.
it.
I did take it.
Oh,
you know what that? You know what it tastes like?
bad.
A bath bomb. It was in my throat.
It's not that bad.
No, there's some literally
Yeah,
sitting.
it's not that bad, but
It's not that
it's
bad.
just salty.
It's just salty. Like, come on now.
I had higher expectations for that.
I'm higher
Literally, our
expectations.
fingers were in it. Come on
Our
now.
fingers were in it. Our hair was in it. Our freaking boogers are in it. Like,
First of all, me personally when I was in charge of the ingredients and the mixing, I did not put any hair or boogers. So whatever you decided to put after that, that's on you.
you're the one that messed up. I can mix it up again.
Oh my god, that's actually gross. I don't even want to show that to them anymore.
I can mix it up.
This-
All right, guys.
So that
So
wraps
this is-
up our pie attempt to make it.
This right here, I would not recommend doing it blindfolded or mute or
Deaf.
other than that. If you want to make a pie, do it by the rules and
And don't
Don't
neglect
overdo it.
any of your senses.
don't overdo it.
This wraps up today's
our
video. If you guys want some of this, comment below. We'll send you some.
Hit us up.
We need to do this again sometime.
But
Same
let's
place,
go.
different time, hopefully. Different recipe. And we'll see you guys in the next video. That was really bad.
Please put that in the video. It tastes so.